In this clip, I'm going to show you what the results of your first test of your animation that has been colored and inked digitally looks like. So, after our files are output to a Quicktime file, you can see that the image is moving and it's colored and looks pretty neat, except that it's still a little flat, which goes without saying because it is 2D, but there's still a few things that we can do to this image to make it a little more interesting and to add a little more depth. And this is still involved in the process of inking and painting and adding some of those other elements that can make the animation a little more interesting.